Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, on the behalf of Trained Nurses Association of India, Goa branch, for the celebration of today's lovely evening, Srijan Sans. It is lovely evening. There are a lot of things lined up, especially for you in Srijan Sans. We have website launching, nurses new uniform launching, felicitation of retired nurses, and also the prize distribution for the meritorious students of year 2017-18. And at the end, let us be together to enjoy a short, sweet entertainment program.
Changing for the better, and it starts from you and me. to say much, but yours is a profession that is the heart of any institute pertaining or like the medical care or any of our hospitals. It is a profession that I respect so much because without you, we cannot take any of our initiatives forward. Just now, Kuntal Kerkar mentioned about the various issues. We are in the process of resolving every issue, but also I want to mention to you is that now we launched the uniform. So we were just having some initial discussion about this uniform, is that we also want to progress like the good hospitals have progressed in other states, like in Bombay, internationally what is happening. I was just informally discussing because always when I come for some function or prior to coming for some function, we always go through what's happening all over. And I per se visit a lot of hospitals, visit and find out what is happening. You must have all read in the newspapers that ultimately where are you working? You're working in our premium institutions, and we have to ensure that these institutions are able to provide that type of quality service. And for that the government has to play that important role of moving forward and getting personally involved at all levels so that your profession, good doctors, whatever equipment you require, together we are able to serve the people of the state of Goa. We are in the process of sending our doctors from Goa Medical College, and also I am trying to select some doctors from health services. As you know that the types of disease that are increasing in the state of Goa, lifestyle, many people attribute it to lifestyle. Cardiology is doing very well in Goa Medical College. We are trying to start a gastro unit also in Goa Medical College. Oncology is also being started in Goa Medical College. We have already appointed a chief senior consultant, Dr. Anupama Borkar. So under that, we are going to start the new department of oncology. I think in another 30 days, we should have the plans. I've just approved them yesterday. So we should have the process of laying the foundation at the earliest. What I'm trying to tell you is that through all these new initiatives, not only does job creation increase, but also we are trying to provide the best quality healthcare to the people of the state of Goa, so people from Goa don't have to go out. Now here comes the challenge, and everybody is, let me assure you that everybody has been talking about the excellent nursing care. My own father, when he was not well, I must appreciate they were very, very impressed with the nursing and quality of nursing in Goa Medical College. And I wanted to make a statement is that when I believe in the institution that I am dealing with, then I can ask the people of the state of Goa to believe in that institution. And they were her sister was there. I wondered what she was doing early in the morning because I stayed in Goa Medical College for one day. So I got confused. She said, no, she's my sister. So what I'm trying to say is that we are doing our best to move forward. We need to see that our nurses also are selected and handpicked and sent for training. I also want to slowly reduce this, this arbitrary transfers of nurses left, right and center, from left to right, right to left, as a result of which it affects the functioning of the institutions and the hospitals. Hence, what we need to do is we need to identify a batch of nurses. We need to create, if the new South Goa District Hospital is coming, there's going to be I'm trying to see that there are PICUs and other specialized services there. Carol, I was trying to tell her, I have been associated with her and working with her when I was Minister of Health earlier also. That time, it was my father who started the Nursing Institute. What we want to do now is talk to the Chief Minister tomorrow and try to see that we get our plans approved for the extension of the Nursing Institute. Cardiothoracic and pediatric, basically trying to create courses which have got demand. Now, I am not only trying to see that the nursing profession, and we are trying to create a type of job opportunities, not only within the government, but our nurses should be able to get jobs anywhere in the world. That is what I am thinking. Actually, initially I had kept that land which has now become the IT park. I had kept that for health startups and training institutes of different kinds so that, technicians are there. So these are the type of people these are the type of jobs that you can create. And these are the type of potential you can export all over the world. And I was trying to create this not only for our institutions, but also for this type of community so that we can move forward in a different direction. We are now trying to see that doctors are going abroad. We have just now cleared the file of Dr. Teresa, who is going to go to Cleveland to study stroke management. And same way it has to go at all levels. It cannot be only doctors going abroad. It has to be certain specialized staff also that needs to be trained. It also requires certain nurses that need to be trained in cardiothoracic or any other specialized care so that, we get the best out of these nurses. I'm also actually, I was casually talking, I'm also trying to see whether we can tie up with some sort of institutions. She was mentioning a couple of institutions which are there, but some institutions from outside who can come and help us and tie up with our government so that we can, train our nurses and have orientation for them.